Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how I summarized this YouTube titled video using AI. So I used ChatGPT for this very purpose. You just have to click the link in my description box and you'll land on this interface that I'm using right now. After you land on this interface, you just have to go to this send a message bar or the search bar, whatever you want to call it, and what you have to do is that you just have to paste this prompt as it is, as I am pasting. What you have to change is that title that you want to search for or summarize, and the channel name. So you can see over here that I have put this title with this prompt and the channel's name, and then I just pressed enter or this green button, and you can see that ChatGPT has summarized the video for me. Just in case it does not and your ChatGPT does not support it, you just have to paste the URL and give it a little bit more information and it will summarize the video for you. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you again. Thank you very much.